Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best folding TV trays that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Linon Home Decor Tray Table Set. Linon presents you with a fantastic set of TV tray tables that is not just functional but looks great with your home decor as well. Firstly, it has high-quality rubberwood legs construction for long usage. The top features MDF, which can take a lot of weight and has been laminated to give an appearance of a faux marble top. So, the tabletop isn't as heavy as marble but has other features like water resistance to make cleaning a simpler task for you. Finally, the table has a tight slide with a metal rod. As a result, they don't collapse even if you move them with your feet at number 4. Winsome Wood 42290 Alex TV Table. Winsome Wood presents to you a really versatile and high-quality TV tray with this amazing set of 2 tables. Unlike TV trays from most other brands, this has premium quality organic solid wood construction which is light, yet very sturdy. It doesn't suffer from the regular maintenance problems that come with metal either. Squeaky joints or a layer of rust aren't going to be an occurrence that needs to be brushed off and restored every few months. You can use this tray at the lounge or with a chair and enjoy your snack time while binging your favorite shows. At number 3. Aingoo Folding TV Trays. Angue has created a folding TV tray that will serve you nicely for multiple purposes. The U-shaped legs are of lightweight metal tubes that have been finished in an attractive powder coating for protection against natural elements and a stunning look. The top consists of MDF board with a black matte surface which is water repellent. So, even if you accidentally spill your morning coffee or juice, you can clean it easily. It also saves you a lot of space since it is folded completely flat with a quick snap. At number 2. Winsome Oversized Snack Table Set. Great for keeping in dining room, kitchen or game room, the 5-piece TV table is great to have for work and play time. With oversized tops, these wood TV tables can easily hold a large meal with style. An upright stand stores them when not in use. With its sturdy legs and thick canvas straps, the Scarlet luggage rack is perfect for holding a heavy suitcase. Its finish and curved legs make it a worthy addition to anyone's bedroom. At number 1. Winsome Skippy Snack Table. This attractive Skippy 5% TV table set gives you an instant extra table space for dining or working. Quick to set up, these convenient min tables fold away easily and store on their own matching portable stand. Collapsible trays are handy for when you're working on any project and need extra surface space. This portable TV tray set also provides a convenient surface for meals or entertaining. Each TV table stands at 23 W by 16.14 D by 25.83 H. Made with combination of solid and composite wood in espresso finish. Stand holder needs assembly. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.